how you doing? I'm Louis Gamino with Enviroscape LA. We're here at another install here in Southern California. It's a renovation. We're overhauling the client's irrigation system. Previously, it was filled with a lot of overhead spray pop-ups. Now those were fine, they worked great about 10-15 years ago. They were the most efficient thing on the market. Now of course we have drip irrigation, but we're applying 100% of what comes out of the tap is being applied directly to the roots. If you take a look at this planter here, it is now covered in mulch, and underneath that is our Rainbird drip tubing, which has a copper shield drip technology. So we will not be using any herbicides to prevent root intrusion. As we're getting ready to button up this job, one small tip, but yet it's a valuable tip when it comes to doing an installation. It doesn't just stop. A good job doesn't stop when you drive away from the job site. It's preparing the homeowner for the future as well as preparing yourself. One little thing that we do, it's a simple diagram. If you take a look at this, it includes the address up top here, but it's just a very crude drawing of where we laid our drip irrigation. You can see several key note points are the north directional arrow. So when I take a peek at this, simple things like labeling the garage, the house. If you notice the key on this side here, it states what exactly X with the circle means. Well, that's a clean out. That 8 symbols a figure 8, and A is an air relief valve. So as we walk through each of these planters, the homeowner is going to know exactly where the clean outs are. The gardener, if he were to have a copy of this, he would know exactly how to flush out a line if you were to ever nick the line and needs to repair it. So by looking at this planter here, I know by our little diagram, simply just whip it out, I know that on that corner there is a clean out. So let's take a look. As we take a walk over here, sure enough, this is our clean out here. So as time goes by and perhaps other companies come in and landscape, or as maybe we mulch and it gets covered over with mulch, of course it's not as easily as identifiable. Which is why having just this simple key right here can add value not only to your home but to your landscape, because you're going to know exactly where everything is. So just a small tip, when you're installing a drip irrigation job, this is crucial. What we do is we take a picture of it, we email it to ourselves, we'll file it away, as well as we provide our clients with a copy of it as well, so that they have for their records. So just another tip, when you think sustainability, think Enviroscape LA.